Steve Komphela is back at Mamelodi Sundowns. So yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns released a statement on their social media platforms saying that they've welcomed Steve Komphela back to the team, and he will serve as a senior coach just like he was before he left, and will assist Manqoba Mngqithi and the rest of the technical team. So yeah, Steve Komphela says that he's very happy to be back at Mamelodi Sundowns. Says that it is a place where he was always inspired and treated with respect and love, and is committed to helping the team achieve its goals in South Africa and also in the continent. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts regarding this move by Mamelodi Sundowns bringing back Steve Komphela. So is it a good move by Mamelodi Sundowns, and also is it a good move for Steve Komphela to return back, or it's not? Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.